Hello guys, I'm Noban. I'll be teaching guys how to make a game from zero, so how to script it and stuff. I'll assume that you're a beginner. We will go from like beginner stuff to really advanced stuff. And yeah, so it's gonna be fun. So I'm assuming that you're a beginner, so if you don't know where you can make Roblox games, you need to have Roblox Studio installed. How do you get Roblox Studio? Okay, you go to the Roblox site, you press create, and it's right here. Press this and just log in, and yeah, you get in, and you should have something like this. You can just, I guess you can press templates, and yeah, just press this base plate. Oh yeah guys, also I'll try to explain everything so it is like understandable and you can use it in your own like scripts and stuff. Okay, so we're here, and what does this mean? The first thing we look into is the Explorer. So the Explorer is like your whole game essentially. Your whole game is inside of these folders. So every one of these is technically a folder, but they do different things. So for example, the workspace, right? The workspace is everything you can see. So I can see this ground, I can see this spawn location. See, like it opens up and it has these things in it. I can add like new things. So I'll press plus and a part, for example. See, now it's here. But what if I take this part out of workspace and put it somewhere else, like, I don't know, replicated storage, for example, right? It goes away, you can't see it anymore because it has to be in workspace so you can see it. I'll put it back. Okay, so I won't confuse you with everything here so far. Like, all you need to know right now is what is workspace. I'll teach everything as we go on. Okay, so the next thing we have is toolbar. So it's the thing here. Basically, the home tab, it has like the most of the things you will use on a regular basis. So you can select stuff with this one. You can select it, move it, I guess. You can just move it, you know, X, Y, and Z axis. And you can scale it, you can make it bigger, you know. You can rotate it. Okay, and I don't know who uses this, but I guess you can do this as well. So what you also can do is add new parts from here. See, a block, for example. Boom, you just made a new one. And yeah, I won't confuse you with like other stuff here. Okay, next up. Yeah, I just kind of started rambling, but okay. Here's like stuff you can do. You can move it, right? And next thing is properties. So what is properties? So you know how this part is like white and it's like, you know, in a certain position and it has a certain size, right? Well, these are properties of the part, right? So here, you go to home, you can open up properties, boom. Now it opens up properties. You click on the part, right? So whichever thing you select, you can change the properties. So right now I have this part, and let's say I wanna, I don't know, change its color. Boom. I made it red. So I changed the color property. So like properties, like everything, like the information about it. So let's just say I have the position here, right? I can change the Y position, so Y is like up and down. So I'll make it 10 instead of 3. Boom. See, it goes up. I can even remove the shadow. So cast shadow. I'll take it off. Now it doesn't have a shadow. Right. Okay, so also there's transparency. You can make it like see-through. You can change the material. You can make it neon. Now it's like looks like a lava brick kind of, you know. You can make it like, you know, whatever you want, honestly. And yeah, you can change your rotation here. But the most important things are like can collide and anchored and stuff. Like, yeah, I guess I'll show you. Let's go into the game and wait, my bad. So see how this part isn't anchored, and if I go into the game, that part will fall down. Yeah, it just fell down, you saw, right? Now, if you anchor it, then physics won't affect it, so it stays stuck in the air. See, it's up there. And maybe I can show you like this. We have a sphere, right? I'll put it into the game. Now I can push it around, right? I can push it around. I just pushed it. But if I anchor it, I guess I'll anchor it here. Then, well, I won't be able to push it because it's stuck here. Right? And yeah, you don't need to worry about these things right now. I'll teach that in the next episode. Bye bye.